Hi all, today I'm in my 2009 Holden VE Commodore Ute and I have my Tech 2 clone hooked up, and I'll show you the programming special functions of this vehicle. Diagnostics. (2009) VE. Engine V6. Ignition's on. Programming. Program immobilizer function. Reset ECU. Now you will need security access for reset ECU. And a 4-digit security code found in the owner's manual or by ringing the dealer. Fuel trim reset. Reset engine oil life. Learn clutch pedal position. Throttle body relearn. Transmission, it's only for automatic. This is manual, so I can't show you that. Chassis. Electronic brake control module. Calibrate steering angle sensor. Body. Immobilizer. Program immobilizer function. Reprogram all transponder keys. Program additional transponder keys. You will need security access for this. BCM. Brake pedal position sensor learn. Program SDM primary key to BCM. RFA multi-purpose receiver module. TPMS. Erase and reprogram all remotes. Add additional remotes. TPM learn mode. Tyre type pressure selection. SDM, so that's program SDM key to BCM. Instrument panel cluster. Program variant configuration. Program odometer. Now you can only do this if the car's only done less than 100 kilometers. Reset service interval. Speedometer calibration. that needs security access as well. HVAC. Calibrate HVAC doors, blower operating time reset. Memory seat and mirrors, I don't have that. Park assist, no. Automatic headlight leveling, no. And that's, I think that's it for it. So, oh no, infotainment system. Now I haven't got the original stereo in here, so it's not going to recognize that. But I do have driver information display. So there's no programming for that. We'll go to additional functions and nothing there. I don't have telematics or navigation. So that pretty much wraps this video up. I hope it's helped you look into the special functions of the Tech 2 clone for VE Commodore. Thanks for watching.